Hey guys, welcome back to Detailing with Chad, where we focus mainly on store-bought products. We don't order anything for this channel. We try to go out to our local hardware stores, parts stores, detailing stores, whatever it is, somewhere you can drive to, go to the store, pick it up that day. Um, so if you guys are interested in this content, please smash that like button. Please give us a subscribe if you possibly could. It would mean a lot to me. And if you want to share it, share it. If you want to ring the bell so you get more notifications, go right ahead. So that being said, we went to Harbor Freight the other day and we picked up 3 products um, that I was actually pretty excited for after I got them. One, we got some really cheap applicator pads with a pocket. It, let's see here. We have a applicator pad with pocket. Convenient hand pocket, safe for clear coats, lint-free, soft microfiber, ideal for cleaners, waxes, protectants, and polishes. Now, this came, I bought these a while back. I don't remember, but I'm pretty sure there's 2 of these in here for $1.49. Really cheap. Now, how long will they last? I'm not sure, but for $1.50, if I get one car out of them, I'm happy. So they got a nice little pocket in them. Hand goes right in there. It's about hand size. Wax on, wax off. These, oh, we'll see. I have not used these yet, so I can't give a great review, but I know they are cheap. They feel great, look great. So if you need applicator pads, Harbor Freight, nice, cheap. Yeah, that's about all I got to say about that. I wish I had more. I wish I've used them. I've planned on using them. I've just been so busy. I haven't had time to actually ceramic coat the Mustang yet, but we are getting there. Now, my next thing we have are glass towels. Now, I have a couple other glass towels from Chemical Guys, and those are the waffle weaves. This is not an actual waffle weave, as you can see. It's more of a knitted type thing. It's a different texture on both sides, but man, do these things work. I like them better than a Chemical Guys waffle weave towel, to be honest with you. Do a really good job. How long will they last? I'm not sure. I've done quite a few windows with them. Now they are made by Grants. They are called the Glass Interior Exterior Dual Sided, and they come in a 3-pack. Ultimate Streak Free Glass Towels. 100% streak, scratch, and lint free. 16 by 16, and they are 425 GSM. And like I said, they do come in a 3-pack for $5. There's $4.99. It was absolutely amazing on how cheap they are and how well they work. I did not have high expectations for these, but they work amazing. And I've used a couple different glass cleaners with them, and every glass cleaner I've used, they wipe it right up. They clean the glass. They work great. Honestly, I highly recommend these. These are probably one of my favorite glass cleaning towels I've used. And like I said, you can go right to Harbor Freight and pick them up today. That being said, now let's move on to my most favorite purchase I have bought since I have started detailing vehicles. And I can't say enough about this. This is the pressure washer extension ones. They're 17 inches. You get one curved, one straight. You can put them together and have up to 34 inches. So if you got a tall truck, SUV, you want to pressure wash the house, maybe you want to reach up underneath the car, you can do that. I love the curved part. I've been looking at these for a long time. I could not get myself to pay $40 to $60 for a wand that's curved that maybe have a little bit of plastic here you hold on to. I'm not really sure why they do that, but there you go. But this was $15 together. Their maximum pressure is 4,500 psi, compatible with gas and electric pressure washers. 17-inch length for one, or 34 inches when connected together for maximum reach. Includes curved and straight wand for use in hard to reach places. Universal quick connect fits most brands. And let's see, 1/4-inch quick connect is compatible with most gas and electric pressure washer, spray guns, and accessories. These are absolutely perfect for your guns. Now, if you're like me, I don't like spending a lot of money for something I don't use all the time, but my God, I can't say enough about these. Now, I will say that this one does drip just a tiny bit right here where the connection is when it goes into the gun. Will all guns do that? Maybe it's my gun that does it. Maybe it's the wand. I'm not sure. But it's not even anything I notice. I'm washing a car. I'm going to get a little bit wet. But man, I can't say enough about it. This is my favorite thing I've bought in so far. And for $15, if I get a year out of it, I have to go spend another $15, then it is what it is. But I love the fact that, and when you pay 40 or 60 bucks from the other brands, I'm not going to mention them, but if you guys know, you know. This is what you get. This is it. For 40, 50, $60. Even the ones I've seen on Amazon are $30, $40. For $15, I get two, a straight one and a curved one. Like I said, I love that, I can get up under the car with the long one. I can get above the car. I've used them pressure wash my house. They're amazing. So those are my 3 picks of Harbor Freight stuff that if you go out and you get there, I spent $15, $20, $22. After taxes, maybe $25. For all 3 things that work absolutely amazing. This, I can't say it works amazing, but for $1.50, I don't think you can go wrong. I mean, you can use it for a tire applicator, you can use it to clean your interior, you can use it for many things. But this here and this here, an absolute must buy. If you're really picky about your windows like I am, I like really clean windows. I can't say enough about these, especially when you get 3 of them for $5. This here, dude, it makes washing my car so much easier and funner. I'm not using my stub nose getting too close. I'm not having to switch to my gun that came with the pressure washer, that big old bulky thing that you guys, I hate that thing. This here, I've been ready to pull a trigger. I've almost bought one of these from the other brands a couple times, and I've talked myself out of it. And I was at Harbor Freight, and I seen them, and I absolutely loved it. So, that being said, that is it for this video, guys. I will keep you guys updated on this, on how I like it. And if you guys want to see more content of locally store-bought products that you can just drive right down to the store, your local Walmarts, parts stores, whatever it is, and pick them up, that is what this channel focuses on. And so hit that thumbs up, give us a like, leave a comment. Let me know how good I'm doing. Let me know how bad I'm doing. Let me know if there's something from a local store that you want me to test out. I'll go buy it and we'll try it out. So that being said, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you stuck around to the whole video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.